Playbook AI is a fantasy sports helper app that allows users to import all their teams from an external fantasy league provider to better organize data needed for strategic decisions. The app uses many different API integrations to make this happen. First, the user's private league data is pulled through the Fantrax API using their unique league ID, so we have access to all rosters and league settings. Fantrax isn't authorized to offer live sports stats data in their API, so we need to utilize an external service. In this case, we use MySportsFeeds to provide us an ever-updating database of all NBA players and their stats that we can use with the names that we received from the Fantrax API with some fuzzy matching to query the stats for all players on your team and display them on your dashboard. All of this is managed through cloud storage with MongoDB, and user authorization and profiles is all handled with Auth0. When you first press get started or log in, you'll be greeted with this Auth0 authentication screen where you can use your Google or Facebook or GitHub to log in and make an account. If you don't have an account yet, you won't have imported any leagues. So the first thing you'll see is this import league screen. There's currently only support for Fantrax and the NBA. And we do this using Fantrax League ID that is unique to every league you make in Fantrax, and it can be seen at the top URL bar of each league, shown here. And all that's required is enter these few key pieces of information, and we can query the Fantrax API and get all of the teams in your league, and you can make a choice about which one is yours, and then hit complete import. Now that we've imported your league, you'll be able to see all players on your rosters with all their stats and information with color highlights denoting each player's talent in each individual stat compared against league averages. The players are sorted from most valuable to least valuable based on a few key factors from your league type. When you click on an individual player, you'll be able to see everything about their data in a compact, clear visual. I'm looking at a dynasty league here, which means I'm trying to think about not only what a player is doing now, but also what a player's value will look like years into the future. The idea here is to rank every player based on an intersection of their current performance and the expert consensus of their future potential given their age. But also, we want to allow users to affect this rank based on their own personal intuitions. When a user inputs favorable judgment of a player's potential, the rank will go up. So all strategic decisions can be made trusting it as your own personalized ranking system. And in the future, we will allow the user to make the same judgment about opposing teams' players as well as make note of opposing teams' opinions about their players in order to find situations where there might be an exploitable difference of opinion on a player that you really like. Thank you for watching this demo. I'm happy to talk about any of the inner workings upon request. Have a great day.